Good morning. My name is Tom. I come to you from the Rustic log cabin in Northern Maine. Welcome to my cabin this morning. 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm still putting the coffee to me. Lots of background noise today. It's going to be about 85 degrees today here at the cabin. I found this on the side of the road 2 years ago, all bent up, and it'll hit it mover just right. But boys, working on this boat some comfortable. So free side of the road. Here's the 18-foot boat, just getting started. Right now I'm working on changing out the transom. I've got a new transom in the shop ready to go in, so I just kind of wanted to show you the beginning stages of installing the new transom. We're saving all of these, stainless steel, perfect for putting the new transom in. So here we go. Sweet! We don't need that in there. Guess we'll go get some tools and get rid of it. I'm gonna take this off. This one came with the boat, but somebody has cut it off. Too bad, because if I had the other end, that would probably work. But what a beautiful boat. Next I'm gonna go after is that steering wheel. I gotta cut that out of here and go from there. Somebody's idea of fixing the boat is putting silicone all over it. Instead of plugging the hole with a waterproof rivet, they smeared this silicone all over it. So now we got to get rid of all that crappy silicone. Same thing here. No water getting in there. I guarantee it. This is above the water line. How stupid. One of the reasons that I am doing this boat series, one is to get a lake trout boat for me and my family, but I also wanted to share what a lot of the fake survival channels, YouTube channels that have really misleading people on what a go bag should be. I call it the mythical dreamed up go bag from YouTube. A go bag is absolutely nothing if you're planning on coming to the state of Maine and living living off the land or living off the water. That go bag is absolutely nothing, and it absolutely is a mythical, made up go bag from YouTube. There is so much more to being a part of the Maine wilderness. To Maine and living off the land, it is a doable thing. But if you listen to most people, they will say, you cannot do that. You cannot live off the land. There's not enough food for living off the land. I have but just one question for these people. Have they ever tried? So the next time you're talking and people tell you that it cannot be done, ask them if they've ever tried. Follow this series, and I will be going through so many foods that are in the Maine wilderness that I cannot possibly eat everything that I bring home myself. That is how much food that can be gathered from living off the land. This is but a small list of the many foods that can be gathered from the Maine forest. But you cannot just come up here and do it. You have to have skills. You have to know the seasons. You have to know where to find them. This is a major undertaking to learn where the catfish are, where the white perch are. It's not just stick your line in the water and you're going to eat for a month. It takes time, it takes years, it takes knowledge to learn this stuff. The naysayers, they just never try it. They just automatically assume that it cannot be done. I'm here to tell you that it can be done. Come up, learn your skills, start young when you've got a whole lifetime ahead of you. I am 61 years old. I have learned this stuff over the past 50 years of fishing and hunting. And it takes work. It takes time. It takes a lot of work. You have to be devoted to this food list in order to live off the land.
Gotta watch your fingers. Well, wouldn't that be nice if that just dropped right down in there? Now we gotta clear that. Somehow. Alright, gotta take out a little more, I guess. Alright, what I'm getting ready to make now is a wood preservative for my transom. You can use kerosene, or what's in this jug is diesel fuel for my tractor. Didn't take much. Diesel fuel and used motor oil. This is the oil out of my generator when I change the oil. I got a couple projects, that's why I'm making up so much. Got a couple projects that I need to take care of. Outside of this boat. Well, there's the transom. I finally got it in. Just had to do a little trimming to make it work. Looks nice. So what I'm going to do now, before I bolt up the back, I will stain the entire transom, but right now I'm going to take care of just getting a little bit down in back here. Before I seal things up. Oh, well, that's not good. I need that. What you guys made me do? Yeah. I would have done it while it was out, but I didn't want to deal with it all nasty and oily. I had a whole bunch of fitting to do to make it fit in there. And once it's behind this steel, once it's behind the aluminum, it's protected anyways from the elements. This is just a little extra precaution. What you really need to do is this surface and this surface on a regular basis. Apologize for the fan noise, but it's too hot to work out here without any fans. That's my free fan from the side of the road. Another man's trash is what I could use. Especially on a day like today. It's already above 80. But it is really nice. See, that stuff is running all down. Probably going to come out in the back of the boat. That'll be fine. We'll give it some extra so that it can. And that'll soak into that wood. And that's the best wood preservative that money can buy. And it will dry. It'll suck right in nice. Actually, I kind of like the color of it. Once this transom is installed, this boat is usable. There's nothing, I mean, I've got a lot more work to do to it. But it's actually, once this transom is in, if you didn't want to do anything more, once this transom is in here, this boat's ready to be used. There, now we'll let that all soak in there. I'll take a 5-minute break, have some coffee, and then I'm going to come start bolting this thing in. I've got this up as high as I can, and I'm banking on it's low enough for my motor, but that's what I want. I want all the sides I can get on this boat. Throw me a bone. Share this video. It's the only way that YouTube will recognize this channel, and I am in severe need of your help in sharing these videos. I need to get up to 4,000 to 5,000 views
per video. So help me out with this. Share this video. Share the whole channel. And I will greatly appreciate it. You guys have a great week, and I will see you in the next one.